Does your deck look like this? Does it need help? All right, let's take a peek on how we can help revive this deck without having to replace it. All right, so here is the deck in question. I'm not going out there. The window is really bad, but I'm just going out there in general because, well, I'm not. So it's probably never been sealed since it was put on. Yes, it looks bad, but it looks worse than it is actually. We've been out there a couple times. It's just a lot of mold, mildew, black, dirt. It's just really dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna power wash the deck, and we'll do a really good job of power washing the sides, handrail spindles, the decking itself to get all this stuff off of here. And then a couple places, there was only one place that had a loose board or a rotten board, and it was still kind of questionable. So we may replace it, we may not, we don't know yet. And then along here, there was some boards that were loose, so we'll re-screw those down. And then the handrail has a couple loose boards, so we'll re-screw those on the top. And then we're just gonna use deck and dock paint. We've been using it, started last year, and then we've been doing it this year, and it's worked really, really well, especially for older decks that have weathered really badly. And we're just gonna put 2 coats of that stuff on here once we get a color. So it'll be a good way, they'll get another 5 years out of this deck minimum. If it wears off, just as long as they keep up on it, on the back, the underside, we're gonna go ahead and spray that so it's protected on tops and bottoms. The bottom has definitely like lichen, some more mold stuff on the bottom, so we're gonna power wash that and put a mold inhibitor on there, like a spray, and then clean it off one more time before we put a paint. So if you have an older deck, you don't have to replace it yet. If it's rotten, it's a different story. But the boards are not rotten, they're just really weathered. So power wash it. We're gonna get rid of all this junk, and then deck and dock, that's what it's made for, is boat docks. And if it's made for boat docks, it's gonna work on your deck out here. Got questions on your old weathered decks? Give us a call, let us know. Love to see how we can help.